Hello, in this video I want to show you how to craft a bow in Bellwright. To do this, first you'll need to unlock it through the research, and you probably already have the research desk. If not, just follow the first quest that you're given, and at some point in your camp you'll be able to build it. And when you have that research built, then we'll need to find a bow, which should be also available along the quest. So you need to first research the simple workbench. When it's researched, then a bow should be unlocked. Now we can navigate to our workbench, and what we need for a bow is 2 simple cords, 3 wood, and 4 river 5 river reed. And simple cords are pretty easy to get. You can craft them in the weaver loom. To unlock it, you also need to take a look on the research. It's right here. And to craft the simple cords, you need flax, which grows everywhere. Just craft 2 of them. Next is wood. Wood is also pretty easy to get and self-explanatory. I don't think I need to explain how to get the wood. And when you have the wood, you also need the river reed. And this is actually quite tricky, as it grows near the bodies of water. For example, right here on the map from the village, you can find a lot of it. Just gather 5 and then come back to your workbench and craft your bow. After bow, you will also need to craft the arrows, and to get them you need also river wood and wood and river reed. And finally, last thing which makes your life easier is a clove quiver, and you need to unlock it through the research. It gives you another slot for arrows, so you don't need to hold them in the inventory, as they take a lot of space, and you can just put them right here. And it costs you 5 linen and 2 simple cords. You can craft linen in the weaver loom right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.